Hello my friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of the Cardano Adda. What's the prices goes in Cardano, what's the high price of Cardano, and what is the current status of Cardano in cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel. And I have surprise news for all Cardano holders. If you are a holder, so please keep watch this video. With the end I'm announcing the surprise in the last of this video friends. As you can see here, the start of this video as the first 1 hour price predictions. The last 1 hour price predictions as a negative change, a negative 0.48% change occur in the Cardano, and same like that the high price is $1.23%. Dollar is the high price of Cardano. And if we look at the price predictions chart, so continuously falling down occur in a Cardano, and as you can see here, and now the current price is $1.22 is the current price of last 1 hour of the Cardano. And now let's see the last 1 day price predictions, what the change goes and the previous last 1 day. Oh my goodness, I'm very happy at this time. I'm very happy friends, because I look this kind of jumps. The change occur in the Cardano Adda and the whole as positive 1.71%, absolutely a good change. The changes are positive, and the high price is $1.24 is the high price of Cardano Adda in the last 1 day friends. So friends, if we look the previous last 1 day price prediction chart analysis, so they fast down, but in the last 4 hours they take a jump and they are ready for a huge pump again. So don't worry about this temporary falls which I showed you in the last 1 hour friends. So now friends, the surprise is that I'm going to announce the giveaway of 100 Cardano coin. So if you want to participate in these giveaways, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video notification, because I upload a giveaway video notification for participation. So please subscribe now. And I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coin friends, so I'm only give you a suggestion for all of you, that if you are a holder of Cardano, I'm also holder, so please hold your Cardano coin. Don't be afraid by these small falls which I show you in the last 1 hour. The big explosion of the Cardano Adda are coming soon, so wait for it and hold your Cardano coin. What's your opinion about Cardano coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos notifications.